We are House Atreides. There is no call we do not answer. There is no faith that we betray. The Emperor asks us to bring peace to Arrakis. House Atreides accepts!
Okay, this is just one in a series of follow-ups to the tutorial I just did on the MetaHuman, and this is kind of a cheat. It's not like a floating head MetaHuman, but you can only really get it from, it's like a medium close-up. It's kind of like from the shoulders up, but you're not quite getting the full body, but you're getting the sense of an animated character with head motion. And this is straight from the Unreal documentation, by the way. So we have all the same assets that we had before, and we have our animation and everything. So I'm going to just show you how this would work. So this picks up where the last tutorial just left off, but I'm going to create a new level sequence, and I'm going to drag a new BP MetaHuman into the scene. So there's the MetaHuman right there. And this is where the cheat is. So what we do is, this character is just in T-pose, right? But you can't really tell they're in T-pose, well, right at this level. So this is as good as we're going to be able to get it. I'm trying to figure out how to put this body into a more relaxed pose, but this is good enough for right now because it looks like we can't really see what the arms are doing. And what we're going to do is we're going to get quite a bit of animation out of the head. So this is what we're going to do. So let me see. It looks like my camera is pretty blurry there. So let me get my cine camera real fast here. I've been experimenting with a lot of things since I did that last tutorial. So let's see. Oh, it looks like we are. Huh. So let me go to focus here. I'm just going to drag this. I can't. Why does that look so blurry? Oh, there we go. I'm just going by sight. There. I think that's good enough. Okay. So we've got our character in the scene. Now I'm going to right click and we're going to create a level sequence right here. And then we're going to go ahead. Oh, how did that come back up? We'll go into a level sequence. And then we're going to add, of course, this VP character here. Add her. We're going to delete the control rig and that. And then we'll go ahead. We already have a camera in the scene. And then what we'll do is we'll just add our face animation here to the body. So we'll go to animation, and here's our face animation. You see it? Now let me hit the control wheel and zoom out and pull this all the way out to about here. Let me go ahead and add some audio in here. Yes, and the audio is the name of the track. So this is a bit of a cheat. So we're just kind of making baby steps in the direction that we want to go. So here we go. Now watch. See, you'll see the head turn now. Watch.
We are House Atreides. There is no call we do not answer. There is no faith that we betray. The Emperor asks us to bring peace to Arrakis. House Atreides accepts!
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's just that we don't have the whole body, but we've got a fair amount of it, right? So it's a little bit of a cheat. What we want to do is get the whole. So what we want to do is get the whole body. But anyway, as I figure this out, I'll do an updated tutorial. So anyway, that's all I had for today. Take care, and I'll talk to you next time.